Hello, everyone.
M2 for Civil Engineering branch. Subject code is 1BMATC201. This is question number 1A. We are discussing model question paper answers. This is question number 1A. One B. Question number 1C. Choice. Module 1 choice 2A question and answers. Two B. Two C.
You can take screenshot. 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 You can take screenshot.
Still scrolling? No real skills? Meet Talent Connect. This is Talent Connect. Learn new skills, do real work, and get paid. Join the platform today and start earning. Real work, real learning. Learn, work, earn. Link in bio.